It's a sick day. Xinyan Kuaila. Why don't you focus? Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Blade, and it is Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year, whatever you want to call it. It's Year of the Rooster. No, not Chinese. My stepdad is. And unfortunately, I have been sick in bed. Like, sick. Right there. That's my station. Yep. Yep. Is there still ginger ale in that, please? No, there's not. Okay. What happened was I wasn't feeling so well. I was not feeling so well on Wednesday, and it was bearable, tolerable, whatever you want to call it, to the point where I made it through. And then on Thursday, it got so bad that I had to leave school early. Like, it was only second period and I had to leave. And that leads me here. Friday. Sick. Or is it Saturday? I don't even know. That's how sick I am. It gets confusing. Am I too close for you guys? Is that good? Where did I put my phone? I need to check the day. What day is it? It's Saturday. And I'm sick. Supposedly, I don't know when. I don't know why. I don't know how. But we're supposed to go out to eat. I just want to sit down and sleep and rest. Save me from this sickness, please. So the plan is we're doing pizza. Why is it so cold? Alright, so we're here, we're at Italian Garden Pizzeria. Normally we would do dumplings. And I'm not quite sure why we're doing pizza. Well, I just got back. I had fun, talked to some friends, ate pizza, coughed, sneezed, and sniffled throughout that whole entire thing. So yeah, it was not the video I intended on posting. But I'm gonna post it anyways.
These are red envelopes. You know how to say it in Chinese? Do you remember? Hong Bao. To get your red envelope, you have to say your lucky phrases. 吉祥话.
What is that?
吉祥话. Okay, do you know how to say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. You say 新年
新年
快乐.
快乐.
Okay?
Okay.
There's yours.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Logan, you want one too? Alright. Alright, guys.
Chase is looking at me like, who? Who?
I know it's food.
$20.
Hey, $20.
Liam got $20.
Mommy?
Making sure.
Did you hear?
What?
His brother's got 20. So he said, Mommy, can you get my $20 out?
Alright.
She got 5.
What number is yours?
What time did you get, Logan?
5.
Alright.
Yeah, you were a little Mr. Krabs, bro. You were like trying to get that money.
You want another 20?
Just so you could try to give it away? Are you kidding me? Focus. Alright, so this is like my favorite part, is getting the money. Yeah, okay. I didn't do the other parts because they consisted of cleaning my room. I'm not gonna do that. You guys can't trick me into my cleaning the room. You guys can't trick me into my cleaning the room. You guys can't trick me into cleaning my room. But that is like part of tradition. You've gotta, it's like New Year, New Me. The New Me part consists of like cleaning your room. That's an actual thing. You can Google it. Okay. Going out last night was the worst idea ever. Guys, I'm probably gonna have to end it here. I just really can't right now. I'm so sick. Tomorrow I'm gonna have to go to the doctor and probably get like a flu shot or something like that. Thank you guys so much for watching my pain and my suffering and all of that. As always, like, comment, share with your friends, and I can't. No. Goodbye. Out of my room. You know.